Ladies and gentlemen, welcome here to another episode on State Update Media, and we're going to share with Mr. Fred Munene. We have been sharing with him across his farming food chain. I mean, starting from the cabbage farming, coming to capsicum farming. He showed us the goats, and today it's a very interesting day as he's going to show us his chicken. I mean, Fred, I believe chicken is one of the things that you're well known for.
Yes.
Yes, chicken.
But they know me on eating the chicken even more than they don't know whether I even sell chicken. Yes.
You only enjoy eating.
You know, like I told you, the genesis of everything that you've seen in this farm is for our own consumption. Because I don't see the reason why, as a farmer, you are farming something you cannot eat by yourself. That means that thing is not healthy. Or when growing up, chicken were for visitors or they were being sold. They were not for home consumption. But now, I'm here to change the narrative. If you are a farmer, you need to take the best. You need to take the first grade. Being the first, you are supposed to be the first consumer. So that's why you've seen us eating a lot of chicken. How? Because we want to embrace what we produce, and so that we can also create confidence to our consumers, because we also have a very big wide market of Kienyeji chicken meat, Kienyeji eggs, organic vegetables. We also want to create confidence to these consumers that whatever this guy is selling is something edible or is something fit for human consumption. Yes.
Yeah. Now you will take us to your chicken farm.
Yes.
Tell us what it takes to be a successful farmer in chicken farming. Just take us through the steps, and also as you're giving an advice to them.
Yes. Here in the chicken farm, we have different units. For example, in here, we are not going to get in here. We have chicken. We have some coops units that are empty, but they are meant to carry each cycle of a chicken, because we usually do our chicken in cycles. As you can see, the few that we are seeing in this area, they are of different stages and of different ages. So the same things happens to going forward. Not that we have come to the end of our chicken layering. You have already we have like 400 eggs that are in the incubator, and once we bring them, the 400 chicks here, almost every unit you see here will be full of chicken, and these ones will be either promoted to we have the elder ones, the laying section, or the roosters that are ready to sell section, because you have roosters and you have the laying section. The only chicken that we don't sell here at the farm is the one that are laying eggs, because that's where we regenerate our chicken. But the rest, the young ones, the roosters that are already mature, we usually sell them. So when keeping a chicken, there are several things that you need to understand. One of the things is how you manage the young chick. The old day chick, it has a different management skills. We have a brooder that has no chick at the moment, but that's where we brood next to our kitchen there. From there, we put them in the upper part of the house, then we bring them to this unit once we remove them there. Then, once you are able to raise the chicken, you also need to understand the feeding patterns of a chicken, because a chicken has a feeding pattern. What the young chicks feed is different from what these medium-aged chicks are feeding, and it's different from what the laying chicken are feeding. You need to understand that. Once you understand that, you are as better than me in chicken farming.
I can see there is, you can come closer. As you can see, there are some of your heads.
Yes.
Some without feathers.
Yes. You see, from last year, we've been keeping a lot of roosters in this farm. And among the keeping excess roosters more than the hens, that means they are going to damage your chickens a lot when they are serving them, or when during serving the chick. So whatever you see here is the damages. Even some are healing. Few of them died because of the hoods they experienced from the roosters. But now in this area, we've already managed to put manageable roosters or manageable cocks in this area, so that we can avoid this type of damages in the future and now and from now. So in connection to that, that's why now we've put them, all the roosters, as you can see, we have around 10 roosters, mature ones, that are in this section. If we open them from here, you see how violent they are, even to the young chickens, to the young chicks. So we close them here, and this section here, these roosters here, is a finished product of ready to sell roosters or ready to sell chicken, because this is what we usually sell. We don't sell the laying eggs, we sell these ready roosters.
Okay, that's amazing.
Yes.
So I can see you have is it a chamber?
Yes, double-decker chicken chamber, yes. In this farm, we are working on a model that fits a small-scale farmer or a person who has a small plot of land. Because when you have a small plot of land, constructing a unit like the one that is up there, it takes a lot of space. But now you are in a plot, you are in a 50 by 100 plot, and you want to layer as many chickens as possible, and the chickens of different stages. That's when you come and adopt this kind of a structure. You can make a bigger one than the one that I've made. You don't need necessarily to make this size. You can make a bigger one, or you can make even a smaller one. But this is specifically for you to have different stages of chicken growing. And these, for those who are in chicken meat business, will understand this because of the consistency in production. Some will tell you per week we are selling 20 chicken. All those chicken are not of the same age. They are of the different ages. And this kind of setup will make you now achieve that kind of model. So it's purely for training and showing farmers that it's possible, even in a small space of land, to be able to keep chicken.
Uncle Fred.
Yes, sir.
That has been very insightful.
Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we've gotten to learn more about the chicken farming, and as I've told you, I'm not going to tell you everything. You know, the teacher tells them now, go and do your own assignment.
Yes.
Assignment is coming to the farmers to learn more about this.
Sure.
So that is where we come to the end of this episode. I believe you've been able to learn a lot on how you can grow or rare chicken to a level that they can sustain you in terms of giving you money, and also helping you even have food for consumption. So that's where we come to the end of this episode. Remember to share, subscribe, comment. My name is Job Maangi. Till next time, bye.